Welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making a delightful Jaggery Tales Jaggery Plain tea. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients: 40 ml of water, 60 ml of milk and 12 grams of Jaggery Tales ready mixed tea. That is 1 spoon provided in the jar. Begin by pouring 40 ml of water, 60 ml of milk into a saucepan. Turn on the stove and bring the mixture to a boil for 1 minute. After boiling for a minute, add 1 spoon or 12 grams of Jaggery Tales ready mixed tea to the saucepan. Stir well and let it boil again for another minute. The aroma is simply irresistible. Once it boils, turn off the stove and strain the tea into your favorite cup. Your Jaggery Tales Jaggery Plain tea is ready to be enjoyed.